Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix DNS server not responding no internet. Chapter 1. How to fix DNS server not responding no internet changing DNS. To begin, enter network in the search box, select View Network Connections. After, right-click on the adapter and choose Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, pulse on Properties. Here, select the Use the following DNS server addresses checkbox. You can make use of some of the public addresses. Click on OK. Chapter 2. How to fix DNS server not responding no internet from command prompt. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open. On the terminal, run the command netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. After this, run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. To apply these changes, you need restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix DNS server not responding no internet adjusting adapter. To start, in the search box, enter Network. Select View Network Connections. After this, right-click on the adapter and select Properties. Pulse on Configure. Now on the Advanced tab, select the locally administered address line. Here, check the value box and enter the MAC address of the card. Click OK. Chapter 4. How to fix DNS server not responding no internet using commands. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click on Yes. On the terminal, record again the DNS. Execute ipconfig/register DNS. Press Enter. After that, release the IP address, run ipconfig/release. Finally, renew the IP address, run the command ipconfig/renew. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.